Welcome back to Car. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, the 2025 Chevy Corvette SUV. This beast is taking the iconic Corvette name into uncharted territory. Let's see what it's all about. First up, let's talk design. Chevy has done a remarkable job blending the classic Corvette aesthetics with the practicality of an SUV. The aggressive front grille and sleek lines scream performance, while the muscular stance ensures it stands out on the road. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter: performance. The 2025 Corvette SUV will likely share its powertrains with the sports coupe. Expect a range of options, from a potent V8 to hybrid variants. Early reports suggest 0-60 in under 4 seconds. That's pretty impressive for an SUV. Plus, with features like all-wheel drive and adaptive suspension, this SUV promises to handle like a dream, whether you're on a winding road or cruising through the city. Moving on to the interior, this SUV doesn't skimp on luxury. With premium materials, spacious seating, and a tech-forward design, it aims to provide both comfort and connectivity. You can expect a large touchscreen infotainment system, digital driver displays, and advanced safety features. Chevy's latest tech will keep you connected and secure, whether you're on a road trip or just running errands. So, where does the 2025 Chevy Corvette SUV fit in the market? It's entering a competitive segment with rivals like the Porsche Macan and the BMW X4, but with its performance pedigree and striking looks, it could redefine what we expect from an SUV. In conclusion, the 2025 Chevy Corvette SUV is shaping up to be a game-changer. It combines the soul of a sports car with the functionality of an SUV, making it a compelling choice for enthusiasts and families alike. Thanks for tuning into Car. If you're as excited about the Corvette SUV as we are, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Let us know in the comments what features you're most looking forward to. See you next time.